Okay, so I'm going to show you really quickly how to book just tickets. So there's a couple ways to do that. You can book them directly on the Disney portal. You can either select Walt Disney World tickets only or Disneyland Resort tickets only. You can also see what the commission rates are for that if you go to training and benefits and scroll down to commissions. And then you can see the commission policy here for Disneyland Resort, Walt Disney World, and Disney Cruise Line. And then another way to book tickets, these ones you can book either discounted straight up for yourself, or you can book them and earn instant commissions for a client. So you're going to go to Evo Rewards. And then you're just going to access your portal. Sorry, I'm making sure my phone is on Do Not Disturb. You're going to go to Parks and Tickets. And then you can see right here, you have Disney World, Disneyland, Orlando, Universal, Six Flags, SeaWorld, Universal Studios Hollywood, all of that good stuff. So you can go to Disneyland or Disney World, whichever one you're doing. I'm going to click on Disneyland. You can see the different offers that they have, different stuff that's going on at that park right now, all of that good, this good information. And then you're going to select buy your tickets. You can pick the number of days that you're going. So let's say we're going to do 4 days, right? And we're going to do December. We'll do Tuesday through Friday, right? Oh, whoops. We'll do Tuesday, starting on Tuesday. 4-day, 1 park per day tickets. We can also do upgrade with the multi-pass, which is like, it used to be called Genie Plus. It's the same thing. You can also do park hopper option. You can do park hopper with lightning lane multi-pass. You can do whichever one you want. And then you can select the ages. So let's say we're going to do 2 adults and 2 kids. And let's say we're going to do park hopper. Oh, 2 adults, 2 kids. We're going to go continue to checkout. And then you can see what this price difference is compared to the Disney price. So let's just go directly back to that portal. This is the same pricing as consumers can see on this one. We're going to go down to Disneyland Resort tickets and find prices. And then we're going to scroll down. We're going to do 4 days, 2 and 2. I think we did park hopper, right? 4-day park hopper tickets. Perfect. So we're going to do park hopper. And then yes, include, and we're going to go next. I think I did, what dates did I do? Like February or December? I think I did December. So we'll go here. December, I did this day. Perfect. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, this day. What's going on? Why can't I press? Oh, I have to press each day. It's like, what is going on? And then you can select your starting park, whatever. Already we can see what the total is. So we can see that there is about a $200 discount. So let's just select, just to make sure we get all of the taxes and stuff at the end too. Did we include multi-lane on this? No, we did not. So we're going to skip that for right now. And we're just going to press continue. Perfect. So we have 2 adults, 2 kids, park hoppers, same dates. And you can see the difference here is this is around a little under 1,900. This is a little over 2,000. So I'm going to pull up my calculator. 2010 minus 1893.02. That is $116 difference. I don't know if you can see that. So I typically do the 50-50 rule. So if I'm saving my clients $116, or 98, so I guess we'll do 117, make it easy, right? $117 in total that I'm saving them. I'm going to also make 50% of that. So I'm just gonna divide that by 2, and I'm just going to up this price to $58. So then I will say that it is, the park tickets are 58.50, 19.51 and 15 cents. That's still saving them about $50, right? About 50 to $60. And that extra 50 to $60 is going directly into your pocket. I typically charge this via Square. And the way that I say that is, oh, I was able to get you discounted Disney tickets. But with that, I was able to use my exclusive wholesale supplier, and with that, there is that wholesale fee, but don't worry, that's included in that final 19.15 whatever price that I told you. I'm just gonna go ahead and send you an invoice for that wholesale fee, and then we're gonna go ahead and book those tickets, something along those lines, right? So that's how I go about that. I would put the the client information here, because their tickets are going to be linked to like their email and their phone number and stuff like that. And make sure you fill out a credit card authorization form for this amount. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to go over anything. If you need more info on Square, I can definitely hand that over to you.